guys, today's a pretty special day for JP. It's his birthday. Today we're headed out towards Battle Mountain, planning on going to Beowawe, getting off there and then cutting through an area called, I think it's Wind Tunnel Valley. Hopefully we can make it over that summit and into Battle Mountain that way, and we'll stop by Miller Pit, check that out, get some drone footage. Either way, make sure you wish JP a happy birthday in the comments. Horseshoe Ranch. Quite the operation out there. It's almost like a small town. It almost looks like we might be getting a little bit of smoke from the wildfires in LA. Humboldt River. Welcome to Beowawe. You know, there's not a whole lot of places where you could just have a missile right in your front yard, but this just so happens to be one of those places. Oh, we gotta go check out this ghost town. I've never been out there. Looks like it's time to do some exploring. Old town of Beowawe. Let's go check it out. How can you not? Yeah, we're gonna have to break the drones out. Welcome to Beowawe, guys. Not what you used to be. Well, this is cool. JP's still over there checking out them old cars. They found him a hot rod. Oh, this floor is soft. I wonder if we can get JP to open that door. I wonder what it'd take. I bet he'll do it. Well, it's got a power outlet on the wall. Looks like it's built out of old railroad ties. This might have been part of the railroad camp, I guess. Impressive. It's an old Doctor? What is it? I'll tell you how to Corolla. Oh, that Ford. Sure build them tough. I think we should cruise over and see JP. He's really onto something. Well, let's see if that road will take us over to JP. A little more modern. T111 siding, vinyl windows. Oh, we lost him somewhere. Well, we just can't keep track of that, JP. Well, guys, this is the Beowawe Ghost Town. This is pretty cool. I know I've done a lot of driving by it, but I've never stopped and checked it out. I didn't know what I was missing. A lot more here than I expected. And also we lost JP. Apparently he got frustrated waiting around on us while we were looking at stuff and went into Crescent Valley. Hopefully he took some video of it. This Crescent Valley is an interesting place, to say the least. Change or snow tires required. They must have had a lot of people back in the day come out here and get stuck in the snow. Well, on Rocky Mountain ATV they said that they wouldn't use this tank bag to hold on to your gloves. Looks like she's doing just fine. We're gonna go right up here to our turnoff and wait for JP to come back through. Hopefully he sees us. There he is. Got to feel that JP ran into the Crescent Valley brothels for his birthday. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, I thought you stopped in at one of the brothels in Crescent Valley. Oh, really? The little one in the shed? The one in the shed or the one in the gas station?
Like a shed.
Yeah.
And it was like the cast of Mad Max was out there.
Oh yeah, they do whatever they want there. Yeah. I told everybody Crescent Valley is the kind of place that 99.999% of the world doesn't get to see.
It's a trip.
And I don't know that everybody wants to see it either.
I don't think they need to.
No. Well, here we go, guys. We just tracked JP back down and we're headed out towards Wind Tunnel Valley. Switched out the Tourmaster gloves for these Icon 1000s. The Tourmasters were getting a little on the warm side. Battle Mountain and Crescent Valley is about 1,000 foot lower than Elko is. Elko's like 5,400 feet. I think Battle Mountain's like 4,500. It's generally about 10 degrees warmer there in Battle Mountain. So hopefully we can make it all the way over that little summit I was talking about. But there's a little snow out there in the flats. Oh, you know what? That might not be snow. It may just be alkali. It looks like snow. Looks like the desert's flooding a little bit. Well, this is Wind Tunnel Valley right here. Yep, that's definitely not snow. Just a bunch of alkali. I don't know what you really call it. We always just called it the alkali flats. Pretty common in the Nevada desert. As the water evaporates off of there, it leaves that alkali behind. That little bit of color and that road going up the hillside there, that is the old Beowawe Geysers. Yeah, but all that color on that hillside is from those geysers spewing over. Then they were capped off and they're getting power out of them. All these dirt roads that cut off here, they just go up to wellheads. So here's those pipes I was talking about, and this is the Beowawe power plant in the middle of Wind Tunnel Valley, Nevada. Something that you won't be able to do or see in the video is the fact that all the sulfur water that spews and evaporates into the air, you can smell it. You can tell that all that water is coming right out of the belly of something. So right out here you can see where they send the water back out into the ground to cool down. Even after they use it all up, it's still steaming. Well guys, let's see if we can make it over. Doesn't look snowy on this side. This is it. Beacon Light Summit. Well, looks okay. There you go. She's good. And that right out there is the tailings pile from Miller Pit. We're gonna cruise over there. Who knows? Miller Pit's an old mine pit. I was Barite Mine, not active anymore. Like a lot of the old mine pits, it's full of water. Little swimming hole for the locals during the summertime. Kind of nasty, but when it's all you got, it's all you got. Straight out in front of us, that's Mount Lewis, right about 10,000 feet. Looks real nice with all the snow on it. Cool, finally get to go somewhere. lots of little barite mines. If you're unfamiliar with barite, a mineral they use in engine oil or any kind of, maybe not just engine oil, it's fuel. Not 100% sure how it works, but they mix it with oil. It's one of the additives. Under the impression that it makes it slipperier. They also use it in a lot of like your core drilling processes and stuff like that. So barite is really susceptible to the oil market. Gas goes up, barite mines run. Gas goes down, and they'll just abandon the barite mines. And just like gold, there's a lot of barite in Nevada. But this is a pretty serious operation here. Oh good, it's not frozen. Cool. Here we are, guys. Miller Pit. Well, that's Miller Pit. Heading into Battle Mountain for some lunch. Battle Mountain on the Country Mile. This road here, this takes you to Hilltop Canyon. It's a fun ride. Definitely snowed in. This road here, that takes you all the way over to Betty O'Neill Mill ruins. You can barely see them in the distance out there. And this is another Tamara Ranch. Spook the cow. Well, we got JP about a mountain. Go KLR, go! I think he's going for a top speed run. Hey, what are you doing? Going for a speed run? Well, that sucks. Battery died on my Cardo. Now what? Hey, I was just calling to tell you happy birthday, but the battery on my Cardo died.
I thought that was
Yeah.
that you, right?
Yeah. I tried, and then as soon as you said hello, my Cardo went. Alright, guys. JP is gonna attempt the KLR Top Speed Challenge. Looking both ways. Better close my visor. It's probably gonna get pretty noisy hitting these top speeds. We're thinking when we crest this immigrant summit, it's a perfect opportunity to hit KLR Top Speed. This kind of reminds me of the time when I had a Suzuki Samurai in high school, or just out of high school. I could get 67 miles an hour out of that thing going down 4th of July Pass. Up 4th of July Pass, I was lucky to hold 50 though. Here we go, it's getting tucked in. It's getting tucked in. What are we at? 79. We're at 79 miles an hour. I can feel the wind. He's really gaining speed. This is the top speed video of the KLR 650. 2022 KLR 650. Top speed run. 86 miles an hour. 90. 88. We're going back to the future. Woo! Well, guys, I'd like to see how fast your KLR goes. Post up in the comments. And just remember, if there is a video, it didn't happen. Attempted a second run. Well, I think if JP had got any faster, we'd have to put him them little winglets on. Keep him on the ground. There you have it, guys. KLR 650 top speed in northern Nevada. We were at about 6,000 or 7,000 feet of elevation there, so odds are if you live somewhere closer to sea level, you might be able to get a little more out of her, but we're going down a pretty steep grade. Hey, my headset's working now. I don't even know. What did you... how would you say your top speed run went? Disappointing? You let all the air out. You got 89. I showed 90-92 on my bike. We can go back. Yeah, we can go back and look at the video, but I showed 90-92 at one spot. But I was standing up and then I sat down to look at the speed, so I don't know. The she was wrung out. How many RPMs did you give her? Oh, it doesn't have a tach? Oh, really? That's it? I felt like it wasn't going to go any faster. Well, you could have went back to the future, so that's fast enough. Hello? Yeah, my phone's not working in here. It sounds like you're in a tunnel. That was quick. I'm trying to catch back up to you. Neck breaker. Oh, you're crazy. Whoa, slow down. You're throwing rocks everywhere. Just like a dust storm back here.